This is a WordPress website. Look at here, we have created different type of downloadable files. You can see here exe file, rar, psd and photo. If I click download exe, then you see the file is ready to start download. If I click rar, also here is a downloadable file ready. If I click psd, then you see it already has been downloaded. And photo, if I click download photo, then you see photo is appearing here on this way. Not only button, if you want to make a downloadable photo, you can do it. You know, image is different from other file, but in this tutorial, when we click a downloadable button or image, also photo directly will be downloaded to your device. So today in this video, we're gonna show you how to create downloadable file, downloadable button for any type of file in a WordPress website, also downloadable image from very easy to advanced method. So hello guys, I'm Iman Sadiq and welcome to WWEngineer. Okay, first time to create a downloadable file, we need to upload that file we want to make it downloadable. So I'm going to my file manager. You see here 4 files. So select and drop all this file here. All files are being uploaded. Here I want to say another fact. You cannot upload all type file in a WordPress website. Like you see here, exe, psd and rar file. So how to upload any type of file in a WordPress website? We have a ultimate solution in our channel. Link in the description below. You can check this video right now. Let's say we want to make this exe file as a downloadable. So first time we need to copy the URL of the file. So click the file and you see here copy URL to clipboard. Just click this button. Now it has been copied clipboard. Okay, first time we're going to see easy method. We can create this without installing any theme or plugin. So we can work with this post or page. So let's start with post. Just click add new post. I can write here download exe file, etc. Then we need to create here a button. So just click over this plus icon, then button. If you don't find, search here button. So this is a button. Also I have written here download, and this button you can design it according to your choice. If you click here, then you see many options to design this button. Now we need to do the thing is, you see here a link option. Click this and we need to paste our exe file URL that we have already copied, and then click this link. See this URL linked up to this button. Now click this publish or update button. And you see our post has been published. Let's view this post. So this is our post. Now if I click this download button, you see our exe file is ready to download. If I click start download, it will save in our device. So this is an easy method in a WordPress default system, and we can create some advanced downloadable file, downloadable button in page builder. Most popular page builder is Elementor. Let's work with Elementor right now. Here we can open a page. This is my dummy Elementor page. Click edit with Elementor. So after opening this Elementor, you see here button. So drag and drop this button, and again you can design whatever you want according to your choice this button. For now I just make it center. I'm going to write here download exe and paste exe file URL that we have copied before. So after doing that, just click update button. Now let's check it out, does it work or not in Elementor page builder. Open this page. I am going to click download exe. Again you see our file is ready to download. Now by following same method, I am going to create some other downloadable file, just making this step fast forward. Look at here, we have created some other downloadable file. Now let's check it out working well or not. So this is our page. Refresh it and we see all files are appearing here. We have checked exe. Now let's click download rar. Also rar is ready to download. If I click download PSD, it is already downloaded. Now we need to talk something about photo. For now, if I click download photo, then you see it is appearing here like this way. So after clicking download photo, we cannot download photo directly. But if we right click and then you see here an option save image as, just click this. This file is ready to save in our device. And this is really enough to download photo. But if you want to create downloadable image, or after clicking downloadable photo, the photo directly will be saved in our device. Also we have a solution for this. To do this, we need to write just 2-line HTML code. Again, go to Elementor editor and get the widget called HTML. Just search here HTML. Just drag and drop it here. If we go to our website, you will find 2-line code. Just copy and paste it here. Look, after pasting code, our image is appearing here. Just make it bigger to understand clearly. If you understand HTML little bit, you know this is an anchor tag, and href we need to put the image URL or file URL that we want to make it downloadable. An important fact is we need to write here an attribute. It is download. Without this download attribute, it will not work. Then an image tag to show the image. If your downloadable image and clickable image is same, then you can put here same URL. Now let's click this update button and go to our page and refresh it. You see our image is appearing here. So if I click this image, then you see our image start to download. And in this case, we can do another thing, that is, here you see file name is by default name. But in downloading time, if you want, you can change the file name. So again, come into Elementor editor. And with this download attribute, we need to write here our new custom name in double quotation, like I'm writing here computer image, then update and go to page, refresh it. Again click this image and you see our new name computer image is downloading. Oops, spelling mistake. So that's all for today. Hope video was helpful. You have learned something. Don't forget to leave a comment, give a thumbs up. If you have any question, write in comment section below. Thanks for watching.